If a car has ever caught the imagination of the American public, it's the Corvette. For the past 30 years, it's been the pace-setting American sports car. The new Corvette continues that pioneering tradition, combining advanced technology with its heritage as America's only production sports car. Developed from the ground up, the new Corvette is a classic example of form following function. Practically every component, every system in the vehicle works to deliver remarkable overall performance. The result is a sports car that becomes a virtual extension of the driver, instantly responding to every input, quickly, predictably, and with remarkable cornering stiffness. A closer look at the design and technology in the new Corvette should convince anyone it's the best Corvette ever. For instance, start with styling. It's a winning integration of tradition and innovation. A greater understanding of aerodynamics helped Chevrolet stylists develop Corvette's smooth, clean wedge shape. Every design element was subjected to intense aerodynamic scrutiny. And advances in manufacturing processes enabled designers to fabricate the fiberglass body with no exposed bond seams, enabling Corvette to move through the air with a minimum of drag. In total, Corvette's streamlined shape is reflected in its .340 coefficient of drag, a 23% improvement compared to the 1982 Corvette, and one of the best in the world. Under the skin, Corvette's advanced engineering achievements continue. The frame and suspension system are virtually all new designs. Corvette's complete uniframe assembly is a solid steel structure that forms a strong base for attaching body panels and chassis components. It's also a rigid structure to enclose the interior and to minimize compliance. Compliance in a structure is a measure of flexibility. In a sports car like the Corvette, the goal is to limit compliance or flexibility by design and by using rigid components. For example, special high-strength steel is utilized in key areas, such as the rear rail, over the passenger compartment, the roof bow, and up front, the entire rail assembly, all designed to minimize compliance. The payoff is quick response to driver input. The same kind of high-performance technology also applies to the suspension and drivetrain. Corvette's four-wheel independent suspension is totally new. It features a number of innovative designs, such as forged aluminum components. Based on aircraft technology, they're stiff, strong, and lightweight. Up front, the knuckle and control arms are made of aluminum to achieve both weight efficiency and remarkable response. A 25mm stabilizer bar helps limit body roll for flat cornering. One of the most innovative design elements of the front suspension is this fiberglass monoleaf spring. It does the same job as the coil springs it replaces and weighs half as much. It's mounted transversely across the frame, an all-new design for Corvette. For the first time, Corvette features a quick ratio power rack and pinion steering system. It plays an important role in Corvette's remarkable handling. Also contributing to Corvette's handling characteristics is its sophisticated rear suspension system. Similar to the front, it makes extensive use of forged aluminum components and also features a fiberglass monoleaf spring. The system utilizes a fully independent 5-link design. Each element has a specific task to perform. The two trailing arms control fore and aft movement. The lower strut and half shaft control lateral movement, and the rear steer arm controls roll and deflection steer. In total, Corvette's suspension helps maximize weight efficiency for precise wheel movement, limits body lean during cornering, and offers quick response for precise driver control. Equally important to delivering outstanding performance capabilities are wheel and tire dynamics, the interaction with the road surface. Corvette offers an outstanding wheel and tire option, the Goodyear Eagle VR50. This tire was developed exclusively for the new Corvette and incorporates the best aspects of the Eagle GT and benefits from Goodyear's extensive research and development experience. The tread pattern is unidirectional. Tires are specific to the right and left sides. They're mounted to exclusive 16 by 8.5-inch aluminum wheels, contributing to Corvette's remarkable handling capability. This wheel and tire option can be complemented with a Z51 performance handling package, which includes wider 16 by 9.5-inch aluminum wheels on the rear for truly impressive lateral capability, a higher ratio positraction rear axle, heavy-duty shocks and monoleaf springs, larger stabilizer bars, and a faster steering gear ratio. When you talk about a high-performance vehicle and its capabilities, you also have to talk about the powertrain, the system that must integrate with the car's suspension and deliver the necessary transfer of power to give the vehicle speed and agility. Corvette uses advanced engine technology to deliver this responsiveness with the 5.7-liter Crossfire injection V8. It features dual computer-controlled fuel injection units for precise fuel metering and responsive acceleration. Corvette's air cleaner and rocker arm covers are made of a lightweight magnesium for reduced mass and for a custom appearance. The engine compartment also features a new cold air induction system. Molded into the hood, it channels outside air into each side of the air cleaner, then through the tuned inlet runners to the cylinders, contributing to Corvette's enhanced performance. For efficient transmission of power, Corvette features an all-new manual 4-speed transmission. It's a Chevrolet exclusive and one of the most sophisticated gearboxes in the world. It features a hydraulic actuated clutch and a unique overdrive gear set. The hydraulic actuation minimizes shock loading along the driveline and permits smooth engagement for rapid off-the-line acceleration. The overdrive gear set utilizes Corvette's onboard computer. Here's how it works. This chart shows the relationship between engine RPM and road speed. When you want performance, the computer senses it and disengages the gear set for direct torque transfer in all gears. But when you're driving for economy, the computer engages the gear set in second, third, and fourth gear, lowering engine RPM while maintaining the same road speed. Corvette also offers an automatic 4-speed overdrive transmission featuring a high stall torque converter with a computer-activated clutch. It engages in second, third, and the overdrive fourth gear, reducing fuel-wasting slippage. Together, Corvette's overdrive transmissions and fuel-injected engine provide responsive performance, but this performance is not complete without an equally impressive brake system. High output capacity is provided by Corvette's standard 4-wheel power disc brakes. They incorporate semi-metallic linings, invented rotors for low fade, and many aluminum components for reduced weight. They're the finishing touch to Corvette's overall performance design. When you add up the components and systems and consider all the design and engineering innovations, it's clear that Chevrolet has established an unprecedented level of Corvette performance. But the story of the new Corvette is still not complete. Chevrolet can research and design for years to develop a car like Corvette, but without quality and production, none of the designs would realize their full potential. Corvette's quality production starts here at the General Motors Assembly Division plant in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Completed in 1980, this facility was specifically designed to build a new Corvette. This advanced assembly facility is a combination of modern manufacturing technology and individually trained assemblers and technicians. The average Corvette assembly technician has more than 14 years on-the-job experience and has received an average of 120 hours of training in assembling Corvette. In addition, new manufacturing techniques have been brought online. A 2-stage robot welder builds Corvette's uniframe automatically through precise computer-controlled welds. Special fixtures are used to check the precision of the uniframe's geometry. This helps assure that critical attaching points for suspension and drivetrain components are within extremely narrow tolerances. Precision fixtures help assure accurate assembly of fiberglass body panels. The match check frame, a full-size blueprint, helps check critical alignments. Corvette's paint is applied in a dust-free, clean room environment using new paint chemistry and a 2-stage base coat, clear coat process. Thorough leak tests check accuracy of glass and molding alignment. Critical sub-assemblies, such as the front suspension, are built at individual workstations. Suspension components are then matched with the driveline and installed on Corvette's chassis. The specially built hydraulic tow-veyor marries the chassis and body in an interlocking system that helps assure a perfect match. Computers check and recheck quality. Every Corvette instrument panel is checked online before it's installed. CRT terminals control inventory and parts allocation. And every Corvette coming off the line receives a front and rear computerized wheel alignment on an automated system before it leaves the plant. From design through development and in final assembly, Chevrolet is dedicated to a Corvette whose quality is matched only by its performance capabilities. Corvette satisfies the same basic desires that brought the original Corvette into existence.